Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. Today I just get a little curious about these LEDs. I found these LEDs on Amazon and it has three different type of lights in the same LED. I think it has white, blue and amber. I don't know how they're gonna work, but that's why I make the purchase, just to see how they look. I'm not gonna keep them. It's gonna be 9006, so this is 9006 low beam for my Honda Accord. I don't know how they're gonna work. Probably you just have to turn it on and off to change the colors, just like the switchbacks on my RAV4. So I'm just gonna do the installation. You guys know it's super easy to do the installation on these headlights, and let's see the difference and let's see how they work. This is the LED, and if you can see there, the chips are different colors. 9006 connection. So let's see how they work. At the moment I have my Cinetic USA. Okay, when you put them on, make sure that the LED is facing straight, because this type of LEDs you can move this part. So when you put it on and you twist it, make sure that it doesn't face with the chips up and down. It's gonna be side to side, so it has to face like this. I'm gonna do the same process on the other side, and let's see the light. Okay guys, we're ready. Let's see. That's white. Yeah, you have to turn them off and on again. That's amber. That is crazy. And that's blue. Yeah, you probably won't see anything at night with those blue ones. I kind of like them. At the beginning I was thinking just to get them to make the video and return them, but I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping them, but I don't know. I'm gonna drive tonight and let's see if they're bright or not. But I just tried to bring you this episode. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you have an Accord and you wanna do that, or if you have fog lights and you wanna put them on the fog lights, you can do that too. Mine's are H11s, but you can choose H11, 9006, 9005. On my case, it's 9006. I believe that's 6000K. Now let me try the other ones. You can see how the pattern change with my lights because they're on different positions. But besides that, like I said, I'm not gonna be using blue on the streets. 3-color LED. What do you guys think? Kinda like it. And I have 30 days to try these LEDs. If I don't like them, I'm just gonna return them. And I'm gonna keep using my Cinetics because these ones are really good. If you can see, Cinetic USA. This is some of my favorite LEDs. And like I said, I'm gonna keep them for now. If it's not bright enough, if I don't like them, or if they fail, I'm gonna send them back. I have 30 days from today, and and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so I'll leave it with that. I hope you like my little review on these LEDs. Link is gonna be in the description for the Cinetics and for those new ones. 3-way LED. That's amazing. And if you have questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.